What is the use of this type of the panels, that is the purchase and media panels? Okay, so the purchase panels, what they do is they help in forecasting the sales. Okay, definitely. So which product is being purchased the most, based on that they try to forecast the future sales. Okay, so that is being done. Next is measuring promotional effectiveness. Next is they identify the market share of the product. They help in identifying the market share of the product. Brand loyalty, how loyal the customer is towards the product. Okay, that also can be determined. Okay, brand switching behavior. Okay, so from the purchase panels we can identify how fast the customer is switching the product. Okay, next is selecting the media program, as well as establishing the viewer profiles. So all these things are different advantages of purchase panels as well as media panels. Now what are the disadvantages, advantages and disadvantages? Now information about the aggregate sales activity, brand shares. Okay, so we can get a comprehensive data. That is one of the advantage of the purchase panels. That is, we can get a comprehensive data about information about all these information, all these products. Okay, from the single company. Okay, whichever company we want, whichever products the respondent wants, all those data can be captured under can be captured by this particular agencies. Okay, second one is these research companies help in identifying the consumer behavior, and also they analyze it. Okay, so all these are nothing but the advantages. Similarly, what are the disadvantages now? Now disadvantage is nothing but the agency cannot make out why the customer has left or switched to the different product. Okay, only the purchase panels can only say that the customer has switched to another brand, but identifying the factors for moving to the different product cannot be known, will not be known. Okay, so the factors cannot be known. That is one of the disadvantage. Next one is the representativeness is also one of the lacking factor in purchase panels, purchase as well as media panels. Okay, so I think about all these things, there is a detailed note in my notes. You can just refer to this advantages and disadvantages. Okay.